4 days ago from today, the 1st of January, we set off on an epic adventure to do the Wangapeka track from the Karamea side to the Wangapeka side, and we've come a long way. Here we are on our next epic adventure, reunion 2 years later, from the Harper's Pass with Rach, Antonia, Rex and myself. About 5.5 k's in, and our first hut is only a 10k walk, so actually doing pretty good for timing. I think we've been going hour and 20 minutes. Rex coming through the long grass. Rustling was sitting behind me. We have a weka. A little bit of a steep climb up this little bit here.
Hello! Welcome to my wobbly walk!
Day 2, and we are off to the Wanganui saddle. Guess who's having cold chicken and corn chowder today? Interesting. Oh, you're right. You okay, Rick? It's been a slow day, 2 hours and about 3 k's in. It's a gnarly track in places. Yep, as we've discovered, looks like Wangapeka Bib is just here. Emergency shelter. Looks more like a palace to me. Our views from the Wanganui saddle aren't too great, but we've made it up to the tarn, and the saddle's just up around behind me here. 20 minutes ago I left the saddle, and this valley is a clearer valley than the valley we've just come up. It's the end of day 2. What a day it's been too. Here we are at Typo Hut. Well, Matt, will we say goodbye?
Hi.
Where are you going?
Up.
Oh, good luck. We're going down.
Down.
Right, day 3, and we're leaving the Typo Hut here. We're going to make our way via helicopter flat hut to Stone Hut. I'm going to do a little bit of a detour to Trevor Carter. Look at this swimming hole. It's amazing. deep but clear. Typo hut, 2 hours. Typo hut, 1 hour 40. Right, I did that one 1 hour and 30 minutes. And Trevor Carter, I'm off there. 1 hour. Off we go. Today I've decided to take a different route to the rest of the group. We're doing a bit of a longer loop to our halfway meeting point for the day because I want to bag a hut. But it's the Trevor Carter hut that I'm going to, and then once I've done that I'm going to go up that valley and drop down and meet them at our lunch spot. Off to Helicopter Flat via the Lost Valley route. Lost Valley route, yeah, very draining through all this long, horrible stuff. Lost Valley saddle, you have almost destroyed me, but I conquered you. Whew. Stopped at Helicopter Flats for a bit of lunch, and nice little dip in the water there. It's a bush chicken. Alley of the dead trees. The mighty Karamea River. Wow, it may turn out to be. Getting there slowly but surely. Wish me luck. Big slip. Another saddle conquered. Whew. Wow. The hut seems to be a bit full being New Year's Eve, so getting myself set up for the night. Well, good night, night 3 in our little tent. Last day, day out. Everyone happy, and look at Antonia, she's ecstatic. Coal Creek. This track has slipped away a little bit. Cecil King Historic Hut. Inside Cecil King. You could jump off the bridge and like do some mean ass bombs, bro. And we all made it.